Take a ride in the 2022 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, power brakes, power sunroof, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats. Come take a test drive today.